Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yes? Okay. So, children, are you all doing your work? All you are doing your homework? Yes? Very good. Now tell me, what is the day today? Yes, today is Monday. And children, tell me which subject we are studying on Monday? Tell me. Very good. We are studying subject English. Okay. We are studying subject English. So children, in English today what we are going to study? Today we are going to study from our Shrima English workbook. Okay. All of you have purchased your books? Okay. So those who have not purchased, purchase it fast. Okay. So we are going to study from our Shrima workbook. Okay. So children, what exercise we are going to do in Shrima workbook? See, today we are going to study write the first letter of each word or write the first letter. Children, in your Shrima book, there are two exercises. Okay, in one page it is write the first letter of each word and in the other page it is write the first letter. Okay, what you have to do in both the exercise, we have to do the same thing. Okay, write the first letter of each word and write the first letter. In both the pages words are given and we have to write the first letter. Okay, so how we are going to write? See, these are the some words. Okay, so I will tell you how we have to do, then we will do in our Shrima workbook. Okay, see children, our first word is fan. F-A-N, fan. So what our exercise topic is? We have to write the first letter of the word or write the first letter. So F-A-N. Now tell me which is the first letter in fan? F-A-N, fan. Tell me first letter. Very good. Yes, first letter is F. First letter is F. So in the same way we will write in our English workbook. Okay. Now our second word is ran. R-A-N, ran. Now tell me which is the first letter in ran. Say children. Very good. It's R. Now our third word is net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Now tell me which is the first letter. Very good. It's N. In the same way we have to do in our Shrima work. We will do in our Shrima workbook. Okay. Now the next word is tap. T-A-P, tap. And what is the first letter in tap? Very good. It's T. Now the last word is girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Now tell me which is the first letter. Very good. It's G. Okay children. So now all of you be ready with your books. We are going to do this exercise in our English Shrima workbook. Okay. Understood what we have to do? We have to write the first letter of the given word. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. Okay children. All of you are ready with your book, pencil and eraser. Okay. So now let's start. Yes. So our today's exercise is write the first letter of each word. What we are going to do? We are going to write the first word of the given words. Okay. So now let's start. Yes. So our first word is F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. So we are going to write the first letter is F. Fan. Now the next word is ran. R-A-N, ran. Now tell me which is the first letter in this word? Very good. R. R is the first letter. So we have written here R. Okay. Now the next word is caught. C-O-T, caught. Tell me which is the first letter? Very good. C. Now, the next word is man. M-A-N, man. Tell me which is the first letter in this given word? Yes, M. Now, the next word is pin. P-I-N, pin. So now tell me which is the first letter? Yes, P. Next word is net. N-E-T, net. Now tell me which is the first letter? Very good. N. Now next word is book. B-O-O-K, book. Now tell me which is the first letter? Yes, B. Now the next word is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And now tell me which is the first letter? Yes, F. Now the next letter is, the next word is roof. R-O-O-F, roof. And the first letter is R. Good children. Now the next word is fig. F-I-G, fig. And the first letter is F. Yes. Now the next word is dog. The next word is dog. D-O-G, dog. And the first letter is D. Yes. The next word is beg. B-E-G, beg. First letter is B. Very good. Now the next word is boy. B-O-Y, boy. So the first letter in this word is B. Yes. So we have written B. The next word is girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Okay. So first letter in this word is G. Yes. Now the next word is tap. T-A-P, tap. And the first letter is T. Very good. Now next word is desk. D-E-S-K, desk. And the first letter given in this word is D. Yes, children. Now next word is jar. J-A-R, jar. So the first letter is J. Now the last word is hat. H-A-T, hat. So the first letter is H. Okay. Now our next exercise, same. Write the first letter. Okay. So word is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So first letter is A. Next is egg. E-G-G, egg. So first letter is E. The next word is car. C-A-R, car. And the first letter in this word is C. Next word is bird. B-I-R-D, bird. And the first letter is B. Next word is key. K-E-Y, key. And the first letter is K. The next word is stick. S-T-I-C-K, stick. And the first letter is S. The next word is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. So first letter is M. The next word is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. And the first letter is T. The next word is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. And the first letter is G. Next word is pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. And the first letter is
P. Next is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And the first letter is O. The next word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. And the first letter is F. The next word is man. M-A-N, man. And the first letter is M. Next word is dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. And the first letter is D. The next letter is bring. B-R-I-N-G, bring. And the first letter is B. The next word is come. C-O-M-E, come. And the first letter is C. The next word is nod. N-O-D, nod. And the first letter is N. The next letter is, the next word is will. W-I-L-L, will. So the first letter is W. So children, what we have done today? We have written the first letter of the given words. Okay? What we have done? We have written the first letter of the given words, and you all have to do the same exercise in your English Shrema workbook. Okay?
Okay children, we have done the exercise. Write the first letter of each word and write the first letter. Both the exercises are same in your textbook. The both exercises are given in different page. In one page the heading is write the first letter of each word, and in another page the heading is write the first letter. Okay, so don't be confused. In both the exercise we have to do the same thing. Okay, so your today's homework is you have to practice write the first letter of each word and write the first letter. Okay children, the words will be given and you have to write the first letter of the word. Okay. Okay children, thank you. Sai Ram, stay home, stay safe, do regular studies. Okay, bye. Thank you.